Moin moin. Today I decided to study some grammar, and I wanted to use AI to create some summary around some grammatical topic that I can print and use later as a refresher. But then I thought it's too simple, so I converted this piece of paper into a fully interactive website and published it on the internet. So today I will show you how to do all of this without any coding, completely free, and actually we will do not just one website, but 5. Let's go. So let's pick the topic first. If you watched my video about study mode and ChatGPT, in this video I showed how I created a list of things I need to know to pass my B1 German language exam. And all of these topics are formatted in a way how to do something. And today we will pick one of these topics and create grammatical summary for it. I will pick topic randomly, for example, this how to apply tekamolo for adverb order. I have no idea what tekamolo is, but that's why we're here. I will figure it out. Hopefully. And first of all, we go to our good old ChatGPT and ask it to create some summary or cheat sheet for this particular topic that we picked. I do not turn on any study mode or anything, just extended thinking, but I think with regular thinking it will also work. Now we need to wait a little bit while ChatGPT is thinking, and here we have results. It is already quite good summary, but I don't want to just copy it and print. I want to make it some nicely organized in PDF file. So I will just now ask ChatGPT to convert this cheat sheet into PDF. So I simply ask it to make a printable one-page PDF from this cheat sheet, and let's see. And you can see that actually ChatGPT started to write some Python code. Python is the programming language, and using this language and some libraries, ChatGPT create this PDF structure for us, and then it will save it as a file, so we will be able to print it. So as you can see, under this all Python code, we have a link to this PDF file that we can download. And actually it doesn't look bad, it just seems some characters are off, and we have these black squares here, but I think you could print it and use it, and it will be helpful. But we decided that piece of paper is too boring, so we will just now copy all this information that ChatGPT created for us about this grammatical topic. Then we start a new chat, and here we click on this plus button and more, and we select Canvas. Canvas is like special isolated environment where ChatGPT can create app or web page that we can publish or use later. Today I want to avoid any complex prompt engineering, and we will just ask it to do something in a very simple, natural way. I want to see what kind of solution it will come up with. So I just ask it to create an interactive explainer web page that will help me learn following information. And here I just paste all of this information that I copied from another chat. Now we send the message, and we need to wait some time because now it will start creating this web page for us. While we are waiting, I decided why not to make some competition between different AI assistants that can create these web pages. So now I go to Claude and I click on this artifacts button. This is the same thing as Canvas in ChatGPT. I click new artifact, and I can already select some template or start from scratch. Let's try start from scratch. So it asks me some general questions, but I don't want to answer them. I want to have quick solutions. So I will just paste exactly the same message that I sent to ChatGPT here, and I will just click send button. Yeah, you see that it created some description of a project, and now we just need to say, let's go. And it starts working. It starts writing some code, and we will leave it here for a while, and let's go to the next assistant. Third one will be Gemini from Google, and I click here on tools and select Canvas here. So process look exactly the same. I just send message here, and we just need to see if it will ask us any additional questions or will start working right away. It starts writing some code, so I guess the task is clear for it. Meanwhile, our ChatGPT is already completed the task. We see that it wrote quite a lot of code, and we can now preview this web page it created for us. For this, we just click on this preview button, and here we see quite minimalistic but yet nice web page with some basic rules here and interactive exercises. And we also have this interactive sentence builder here where we can select subject, verb, and different parts of speech. And it will show us what would be the correct word order according to Tekamolo rule. And below that, we even have some exercise where we can practice which part of this Tekamolo system this word is. So for example, deshalb, let's try more. No, it's ka. That's correct. This section also have this another tab where we can reorder words based on this Tekamolo principle. Looks good. And what's even more interesting, we can click this share button and create link. And this website will be published on the internet and available for everyone. So we can open this link, or you can send this link to your friends and they can play around with it. Of course, I will leave the link in the description. I think ChatGPT did a very good job. And now let's check Claude. Claude decided to go in a very colorful way. And actually this section here is quite narrow, so I will publish this artifact and copy link, and I will just open it in a new tab. So I copy this link and let's try it here. Yeah, we can see that Claude loves colors. So let's check. It organized everything on different tabs. So ChatGPT organized everything linear as different sections, and here we have tabs. So we have learn, we have examples, we have practice, and we have quiz. Let's quickly review this learn section. Quite minimalistic, but all important parts are covered. Let's try examples, also just 3 examples. Practice with some drag and drop game where I need to drag adverbs here. So let's try. Let's check answer. And I need to drag all 4 of them. So oh, it seems I need to match these colors, Tekamolo. So I will reset it and let's try. Tekamolo. Check answer and everything is correct. I really like that Claude made it more interactive, even though it's still quite simple. But let's check what Gemini have done. Unfortunately, with Gemini, we cannot publish it and open as a link. So I will just make this window a bit bigger so it would be more visible. Gemini came up with a very complex layout. We have 2 columns with multiple different sections. We have also a lot of different colors and some interactive elements that doesn't work, or maybe they shouldn't work. I don't know. And I should say that this page is quite long. This looks like an exercise, so let's try. Okay, I need to click this Tekamolo, but unfortunately it seems it misses spaces between words. But to be honest, it's German language, so sometimes there shouldn't be any space between words. So it's hard to say. But it looks good, and it took me, like 3-4 minutes to create this web page. But all of these 3 tools, they are just general AI assistants, and people mostly use it to answer some questions. And creating interactive web pages for language learning is not these tools' proficiency. So I decided to give a try to special tools that position themselves as an AI tool for creating websites. I have no idea which tool is the best, and I have no affiliation with them, but I've seen several times some ads on YouTube or Instagram, or heard people mentioning tools, so I decided to go to the most popular ones. They should be the best, right? And I will start with something that is called Lovable. And I need to say that I'm a developer myself, and I know that I can give these tools some proper instructions, what exactly should be done, how this page should be structured, what maybe even technologies should be used on this page, but I don't want to do it. I want to act as a person who have no development experience. So I will send exactly the same prompt to this tool and see with what solution it will respond me. So I just paste exactly the same message that I tried with general AI assistants, and let's see. It starts doing something. I will not enable any notifications. It's thinking. That's already a good sign. So it looks like it come up with some plan, and it already immediately started building something for me. And there is another tool, Base44, and I see a lot of their ads on YouTube, so they pushing their marketing really hard. And let's check how this one works. I guess I need to click this Start Building button, and I will paste exactly the same message here. Let's go. Okay, it's also planning some steps. So I guess it doesn't need any clarifications from my side regarding the task. So, okay, it wrote a plan with design approach, with structure, and start building something. While it's building, let's check what Lovable showed us. Oh, that actually doesn't look bad. It's also very, very colorful. And I guess I also have some interactive elements here that I cannot click and can't really do anything with them. But there are different examples, some quick rules, mini checklist, and it seems it doesn't make any exercises for me. So I wouldn't call it really interactive explainer web page because I cannot really interact with it. So colors are changing, but that's the only feedback I have from this page, and I can't even solve some teeny tiny exercise to prove that I learned everything about this topic. But still looks good, and I will publish it on the internet, and it should be available for everyone, and I will add link to the description of this video. And now it's time to check Base44, and I see that result is also very colorful, and it has some start learning, test your skills. So maybe I can test my skills somehow. Maybe there are some exercises. Let's see. So I just scroll it down. There are some rules for categories. Oh, there are some interactive elements, so I can click on it and see some examples. Nice. And I actually have some kind of carousel here. I can see multiple examples. I can hide highlights. Oh, so now I can see the example, and I can myself define where is te, where is ka, where is mo, where is lo, and then I can check myself. All right, that's interesting. Also, there is a sentence builder, so I can drag these elements, and for me it already looks fine, so I can check answer. Yeah, it's correct. Let's see if next challenge will be more challenging. All right, check answer, also correct. Next challenge, check answer. Oh, so yeah, that's probably the problem with these exercises, that they are already correct and I just need to press the button. But of course now I can just chat with this tool and ask it to fix these problems. And there is another exercise where I just need to select categories, and okay, yeah, it looks good, and quick reference in the end. And I guess I also can publish this page now. Yeah, the only problem here, if I publish this app, then it requires me to log in, so no one else cannot use it. If you know how to solve this problem, please write in the comments. Apart from that, it looks okay, and we have 5 different pages that we created with AI completely for free and without any coding. That theoretically should help us to learn some grammatical topic. And now I want you to decide which one is the best. So I will leave links to 3 of these websites that I can publish, and you can just open them and check how it works for you, and then write in the comments which one do you think the best, or maybe you want to create your own page and then share in the comments with your experience how it worked for you. To be honest, for me, it's a very fun and nice way of learning languages because you put some creative touch to it and also work in collaboration with some AI tool, which is always fun. And as I said, of course, you can improve these pages more and more. You can chat with this tool and ask it to fix some specific problems, but I really wanted to see what it can do. If you want to know more about some interesting ways how to learn languages, check my video about comprehensible input. This method works really well. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.